have the sockets out and everything. We have this little darling. She's got some curb damage, or looks like she's been patched up before. Ooh, crusty. Anyways, we're going to give her a fix-up. This is a plow truck. My favorite kind of rigs to work on, really. Not really, but sometimes they are. But yeah, we're pretty loose, and as you can see, the body line is not that straight. We're rock guarded up to here, so she's for pushing snow and stuff like that. And as you can tell, the size of the hub, she can push snow. So yeah, we're gonna fix up on this. So since this is probably not the right rocker panel for this truck, it's close to the slip-on, might not be the right year or whatever, and the cab is a little bit bent from the previous damage. It's okay though, she's a plow truck. Yeah, we got lots of welds on the top, and then she's coming out here a little bit. See when she goes in right there, the cab is in a little. This is where the damage was. Anyhow, we're gonna make her look good. The rocker's on her. Got a little few welds in her door there. See the big crimple in her there, right? That's where she came off. We managed to beat that in a little bit, tighten her up. It's not going to Pebble Beach, Seymour, or any of those places. It's going to a snowbank near you. But yeah, so far so good. We got another rocker on her, and we'll seal it up and then rock guard it. At least the rock guard's easy to match. The door's all welded up, rock guard on it. Top and bottom's all welded up. Welds there. She's nice and straight on there. Everything's sealed up like it's supposed to for this plow truck. Work truck. It's a work truck. But yeah. Now we're just about to give her the royal treatment with the rock guard, which every plow truck should really get, if you're serious about it. Here we are, and it's gonna make we're just mirroring the other side. We're making the other side. Here. So, yeah. That's the other work. We got our work done, and it's gonna all look very uniform and just fine. Didn't put these on today, but I'll probably find the burns on my arms later, of course. But yeah, there you go. Nice and straight, good line on it. We'll get a little closer. Nice and straight, good line on it. It's not bulging anywhere. It's welded up, so there you go. Time to hit her with the rock guards. So, there we go. Our door is back together. It's nice and solid. I took some long set of fur, but up here, she's bent more up here at the top. You can do whatever, manipulate that bottom in over and over again, but the bottom, it's swollen out. That's what I'm saying, it's swollen out. But yeah, here's our new rocker on. Excuse me. Yes, you excuse me there, rock guard. Here we are. New rockers on the plow truck. Put our plastic back on the bottom. It's all welded in. The guy would have liked to get this in a little bit more, but it's pretty rotten on the bottom too, on top of being bent. So unless we cut out the whole panel and go across, it's not happening. Not for this budget anyway. So yeah, here we are. We're all sealed up and ready to rock and roll. Plow some snow. Same day, in and out. Always the best.